So, out for a little ride this afternoon on the outskirts of Halifax, Nova Scotia. Going through the communities of Grand Lake, Wellington, Fall River. Trying to think which other ones, Dartmouth, Cole Harbour. And then going to head east along Lawrencetown Beach, Musquodoboit Harbour. Then turn north towards Middle Musquodoboit, and then back into around the airport area, Halifax International Airport. Beautiful day for a ride. Showing 28, 29 degrees on the dash. A little bit breezy. So I've got about 4,000 kilometers on the bike so far. So that is around 2,500 miles, I think, for the US viewers. And really comfortable with the bike. One thing that's really surprised me so far on this bike is the gas mileage. I just fueled up a few moments ago, so I've done like 16 kilometers since I fueled up, and it's showing a range of 476, and the average right now for fuel is 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers. That'll get down, ideal driving conditions, I've seen 4.0, which works out to 70 miles per gallon. That's imperial. But 4 liters per 100 kilometers. That's a liter every 25 kilometers. And that's some really good gas mileage. So yeah, range in miles per gallon. I haven't done a full tank in one ride. I did 375 kilometers a couple of days ago, and was down to the last bar. And it showed a range of 118 remaining. So 375, 118, that's right up around 500 kilometers on a tank. So again, on 500 kilometers, I think that's somewhere around 300 miles. Range is good for me. Usually by that time I'm wanting to stop anyway. It's a nice little windy road right here. When I'm doing these kind of roads, I usually leave the bike in economy mode. I just find it's a little more fluid, smoother. once I get up to highway speeds, and then I usually switch to tour mode. That's probably the smoothest one for highway driving. And I'll use sport occasionally, especially if there's getting to the point where there's traffic or whatever, and I know I'm going to be changing lanes. I think speed limit is 50 or so. I better drop a gear. Quite a few bikes out today. So I've got about 60 kilometers down since I left. I usually lose the first bar in the fuel gauge right around 60 kilometers. Lose the second one around 120. So it's a good gauge. You know, you kind of know exactly where you are. The remaining 4 segments there, they take a little longer to disappear. So I guess it's the shape of the tank. It's probably a bit narrower up top. Bottom line, at the end of the day, I can get about 500 kilometers if I want to go right to fumes.